Guys, today I'm working on a 2008 Dodge Avenger, and the customer complaint was the car shuts off intermittently the past 3 weeks, and yesterday it just shuts off and won't start. So when I came here and checked, I already found out the problem. So I have to cheat and show you guys what the problem was, because I said let me make a video, it might help somebody else out there. So I start by checking for fuel and spark, and we had spark, and we had fuel on the fuel rail too. The pressure was good, everything was okay, but our problem was this right here, the injectors. There was no pulse coming from the computer, and then there was no 12 volt coming on the socket here, because let me see if I can show you guys. If you guys can look close, that yellow and brown wire is supposed to be 12 volt when you turn the key on. So when I you can use a multimeter and test. So when I did that test, there was no 12 volt from that wire. So I said let me trace where the wire goes, and so when I traced the wire, I found out it is this wire right here, this one right here. If you can see this one, it is the same one here, and it goes to the airflow meter. It is the same one right here. This big one here is the same 12 volt. So what I found out is when I did a test here, I had power, and then here there was no power. So obviously the problem was this right here, this. So I'm about to bypass this connection here. All I have to do, the easiest way to fix this is just cut this wire, cut this wire, cut this one, and then look for a wire that's the same color, like brown and yellow, and then join the 3 wires together. That's it. Tape it good. That's it. You're done with it. So I'm gonna do that and then see. When I'm done, I'll show you if the car would start or not. So let's hope for the best. Okay guys, I fixed everything back, and this here was the broken wire here, and it's this socket right over there. See this socket here? So that was the broken wire. I joined it and fixed everything back. Thing is fixed. Now let's give it a try and see if we'll have any progress. Okay, be good. So seems like everything is all right. Idle is okay. Everything is okay. So let's see if we're gonna drive it around and see. Let's drive it around and see if we'll have any progress. Okay guys. Okay. summertime, so gotta put on the AC. Okay. Runs great. Runs great. Alright guys, that was it. So we fixed the problem. The car runs great now. That's it. Anyone with this kind of problem, I hope this video helps. So subscribe for the next videos. Thank you. Be safe.